guys, DIB Gaming here. Welcome to my mini-series, Slime with DIB Gaming. Today we are going to be making turquoise fluffy slime. Let's get the materials. Sorry that took so long, guys. So, we have glue, shaving cream, borax solid washing. The one thing we don't have is a spoon and blue. And so first we're gonna add in some. I'm doing a major slime giveaway, 2 slimes. All you have to do is like, subscribe, comment down below, and put your, I don't know, how am I gonna get it to you guys? I'll figure that out. Maybe put your email address so you guys can get my, so I can mail it to you, I guess. I guess that's gonna be how it works. So we're gonna add in the glue. Glue. I still have like half a gallon left, so I'm good. Okay, so now we are going to add in the shaving cream. I know it sounds super weird. Forgot to shake it again. Okay, so we're gonna add some blue. Drop. Man, that's a lot of blue food coloring. Okay. And last but not least, the green. Okay, one sec. Okay, guys, sorry about that. Got spoon. Just add some borax. Guys, hurry. First one to comment down below, like, and subscribe. Comment that you liked and subscribed, and hit that notification, and give me their email. Will earn this huge slime beauty. It's really sticky still. And add a little more boards. You guys like the color? I like it. I tried to make one orange, but then it turned out pink. I'm just kneading it right now. Remember, guys, it's fluffy slime. So. Guys, don't be scared to try this at home. It's really fun. And once you knead it really well, it gets real good. Just trying to get all the excess slime off my hand. Remember, guys, this is a mini-series, so it won't be on for long. It'll stay on YouTube forever, but, like, it's never deleted my channel. You know what, I gotta go run and get a paper towel. I'll be right back. Hi, Coochie Coo. That's my cat. Okay? You want to be on the video? Yeah, do you? Sorry for that, guys. Come here, baby. Come here. I'll show you to the people. This is my kitten Witten. Say hello, hello, hello. I'm gonna put her back down. She was sleeping. So yeah, guys. Slime. Next episode is definitely gonna be just regular slime without shaving cream. This little boy. Do you want to go out? Alright, so right now I'm just kneading. Hey guys, subscribe please. I'm about to win this war. Guys, the sub gap is closing. Subscribe to PewDiePie, guys. Subscribe to PewDiePie. Sub to PewDiePie. Alright guys, thanks for watching my season 1 of my mini series Slime with the IP game. Let me see, can I do a little ending thing? Dang it. Alright, thank you all for watching. Have a nice